Hello students. So in this video, we will see about degree of a polynomial. Now I have written one expression here, 2x cube plus 8x square minus x plus 10. Now, first thing, is it a polynomial? Yes. Why? Why it is a polynomial? Because the power of x in all the term is what? Whole number. So yes, it is a polynomial. Now, what is, if I ask you, what is the highest power of variable in the given polynomial? What is the highest power of variable in the given polynomial? Is it 3? Is it 3? See, here it is what? 2. Here it is 1. This is x to the power 0. Right? So, yes, the highest power is what? What is the highest power? Highest power is what? 3 here. So, I will say that 3 is called as degree of polynomial. It is called as degree of polynomial. So what is the definition? Definition of degree of polynomial is what? It is the highest power of variable in the given polynomial. For example, I will write one more expression. Let's say the given expression is 8x square minus 4x plus 3. If someone asks you what is a degree of this polynomial, so you have to identify highest power of variable. What is the highest power? See here. What is power of x here? 2. What is power of x here? 1. What is the power of x here? 0. What is the highest number? 2. So 2 is called as degree of that polynomial. Is it right? Now, based on the degree, the polynomials are further classified as linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. Now, what is mean by linear polynomial? Now, a polynomial, it is a polynomial with degree 1. What is a quadratic polynomial? It is a polynomial with degree. What will be definition? With degree 2. And what is cubic polynomial? It is a, what do you mean by cube? It is a polynomial with degree 3. Okay. Now we will see example and then we will see the general expression for all these polynomials. Now, if I write down 5x plus 8, what is the degree here? Degree is 1. So that's why 5x plus 2 is called as what? It is called as linear polynomial. So the general expression for linear polynomial is ax plus b, where a should not be equal to 0. See, in ax plus b, let's say a is equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, ax plus b, it becomes what? It becomes b. Now b means what? It is b into x to the power 0. So what will be degree here? Degree will be 0. So it is not a linear. It is not a linear. Is it right? Okay. So that's why the condition is what? The a should be equal, a should not be equal to 0. A should not be equal to 0. Now, let us see example of quadratic polynomial. Quadratic means what? Degree should be 2. So 8x square minus 8x plus 10. What is degree here? Degree is 2. That's why it is a quadratic. That's why it is a quadratic polynomial. So if someone asks you, what will be the general expression for quadratic polynomial? it is what? Ax square plus bx plus c, where a should not be equal to 0. See, if in ax square plus bx plus c, if a is equal to 0, so what will be this expression? It will reduce to what? Bx plus c. Now what will be degree here? Degree will be equal to 1. If degree is 1, it becomes what? Linear. That's why a should not be equal to 0. This is important, right? Next, cubic polynomial. So it is a polynomial with degree what? 3. So can you write the expression for it? Y cube, let's say minus 8y square plus 10y minus 4. Okay, so what will be degree here? What will be degree of this polynomial? It is 3. It is what? 3. Highest power of variable. What is variable? Instead of x, I have taken the given polynomial in which variable? In y variable. Okay, so variables can be anything, either x, y, p, q, a, b, anything. So what will be the general expression? General expression will be ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a should not be equal to 0. This condition is important, right? So hope you have understood how to find a degree of polynomial and what are the linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial, right? So just I will give you one simple example. You have to identify what is a degree of that polynomial. Okay, so let's say consider a first example. You have to tell me what is a degree of this polynomial. Second example, what is a degree of this polynomial? First identify whether it's a polynomial or not, and then you have to answer, right? Okay, so whether it's a polynomial, so you have to check what are the power of all the variable. Is it a whole number? Yes, that means it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. Now, if you want to find out a degree, find out highest power of variable. Find the highest power of variable. So what is the highest power of the variable? It is 4. Is it right? Is it 4? Now, next, check whether the given algebraic expression is polynomial or not. Yes, it is a polynomial. Right. Now, what is the degree here? Highest power. So in this, it is 5. Here it is 8, 2. Here it is 1. Here it is x to the power 0. So what is the highest power? 8. So degree of this polynomial is 8. So hope now you can easily find out degree of polynomial. Thank you.